Right now, I'm buying HCL Tech in the market level now around 16472 1648 is where I'm buying right now in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform today, and I'm planning to keep the target up to 5 or 6 points. And as you guys can see here, we are trading without any indicators based on my unique strategies. So let's see how the stock will perform, guys, and also let me see how the market has opened for the day. And this is how the market has opened today. So mine is 0.7%. So just 15 points down, not much of a bullish or bearish opening here, kind of a sideways opening. And advanced stocks are 25, declines are 21, and unsigned are 4 stocks. So let's see how the market will perform today. So the stock is now trading around 1649, so almost close to 1650. And yes, from the last couple of days, Nifty IT stocks were almost down, and this is one among that. And I think this has a good potential to go up for the day. So that's the reason why I have selected this stock. So let's see how the stock will perform today. I'll be updating you everything where I take the exit and everything. Okay. And also, if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. Okay, so in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things, and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And once you join us with my years and years of experience, I'll be guiding you all the required skills to make proper and profitable trades. Okay, and not only that, even in live market, I'll be guiding you personally every single day. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can just go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded from almost 5 years plus on consistent basis. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can just message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and discuss with me and get in touch with me personally, and I shall guide you about how you can be a profitable trader in intraday trading. So yes, right now the stock has made a new high of 1650.90. So let me just wait for few minutes, and I think in some time the stock has a potential to reach more than 1653. So somewhere around 1653 or 1652, I just plan to take my exit by booking almost 5 to 6 points. And the market is now trying to go up a little bit up, but let's see how the market will perform today, and I'll be updating you guys where I take the exit and everything. So 1648 again, so the stock has retraced a bit. I think it will take some time, so let's wait for it to go up. Okay, so it's now coming to the upper side here, trying to break the resistance of 1650.90 what it has made. That's the new high. Okay, so let's wait for it to give a breakout. Okay, 1651, we are almost near to that target here. So I'll just take my exit in the next few minutes, guys, once it goes above 1652, and I'll update you about the trade position. Okay, so you can just continue to see the live trade and the movement how the stock is going to perform right now. So guys, yes, as you guys can see here, the stock has made a high of 1653.40, almost 7 to 8 points it has gone up from the price where I've entered, and I took my exit by booking almost 5 to 6 points. So this was the profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of HCL Tech. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, get in touch with me and discuss with me today.